everybody. Oh my god, so it's literally been like a few days. Today is June 20th, so it is the day after Juneteenth. And I think when we left off, I went to the apartment because they were supposed to be painting. Guess what? It's painted. So I'm trying to figure out whether I want to go and drop off a bunch of the things that I have in my back seat that are going to the new apartment, or whether I want to just go and run all my errands and get stuff. But to be honest, I don't have a lot of space. Amina is sleeping. All of this, so the place is on like 103rd. I live right now on 127th. Oh, let me get some better lighting. And where I'm going to run all of my errands is like far south suburbs, like Tinley Park, Crestwood area. So I was thinking go out there first and then come back and just get it done that way. But all I keep thinking about is the amount of space that I have in my car to fit anything else. I am going to alleviate some space because I do have to go to Target and take back a box of diapers because they're size 1 and Amina is in size 2 now. But then I'm just gonna put another box of diapers in here. Hopefully not gonna shop there, but I do plan on probably getting some wall plugins at Bath and Body Works. And a friend of mine told me to go to Hobby Lobby because they have a lot of cool stuff. So that's gonna be the mission today. I'm just gonna be getting stuff done. I will be moving over my bathroom stuff, so we'll be setting up the bathroom today and you guys will get to watch me do that. So yeah, I guess I will see you guys when we get to whatever our next location is. Hi everybody, I am back. So the last time we talked, I've done so much. Literally, I think when I got in the car, I actually ended up dropping off my stuff at the apartment. Here's some stuff. Amina is in the bathroom. Don't ask me why, just know she's good. We ended up going to Hobby Lobby, we went to Target, we went to Walmart, we got some Chick-fil-A, we even went to Stan's Donuts. I'm definitely going to be doing a unboxing reel for Instagram because I'm super excited about these donuts. But I am super tired. Now I'm actually about to get ready to clean and put all my bathroom stuff in the bathroom. So I'm really excited, very nervous as well, just because it's a fresh start, fresh beginning. The light done got a little dimmer, I done got a little darker. Probably because I was outside in the sun, y'all. Bam, okay. So a little bit better light. But, so this is the before of the bathroom. Don't worry, Amina, she's not even gonna stay in here because it's about to be some chemicals. So it's been painted, it looks a lot cuter. Obviously smaller than my previous bathroom, what I'm used to, but nonetheless, this is a new journey, a new chapter, and I'm gonna make the best of it, the most of it. My face is breaking out, my hair is looking a mess, but I will see you guys back when I'm finished cleaning and setting everything up. It's not July, I lied. It is June 24th, and me and Amina and Amina's dad, we're going to a carnival. I am literally so excited. I haven't been to a carnival in like a few years. So this is gonna be a really cool experience, and I can't wait. Oh, Amina said she can't wait either, child. I'm on the phone with Justin. He's been waiting to be in the vlog for so long. Y'all see him. So yeah, Justin's gonna go via Pocket. If you're watching this, today is a very monumental day. Obviously, by the time you watch it, the monumentalness will have been over. But today is the day that the ruling for the overturning of Roe v. Wade came out, which is honestly like mind-blowing and, you know, just gonna cause a lot of ruckus. But I will see you guys when we get to the carnival, because Amina is kind of crying. Guess what, you guys? We have made it to the carnival. Mina, you made it to the carnival? Yes, mommy, I'm gonna make it. It's at the carnival. And look at. So I guess we're gonna see what we can get into, right, boo? Right, boo? Hey, mom, I've never been on this side before, my baby. Well, might be a little too much sun for Mina. I have to put her little sheet on her to protect her. So, but we will show you guys more. Isn't that right, boo? Yes. Wish daddy good luck, boo. Mina, I'm supposed to watch you, daddy.
Alright, you just gotta get on there, okay?
Which one? Really?
Easy.
Get a pink one.
Count it, there's two, you hit it, right? Alright.
Yeah. Even though daddy didn't get a pink one.
Girl? You want to try again? Get her something bigger. The more you get, the bigger the prize.
You did this?
Girl, nah, I paid somebody.
I'm so like, if I didn't say hey.
Girl, I already paid some people that be lost.
Say hi, darling.
Right.
blanket.
You win.
Hey,
Is that it? Yeah. Okay. Y'all ready? Get set. Go. Oh, okay. You gonna take it to the head.
Yeah.
Not let him go. Okay, y'all got a steady little motion going.
Damn. This ain't going nowhere.
Sister Lee right here. I'm done. We got a winner. Y'all got money.
Yeah.
Look at that. What you gotta say to people? Go ahead. What you gotta say to people?
Hey, them jaws go crazy. Y'all ready? On your mark, get set. Then you just twist the top.
Get set. Go.
Twist the top. That's right.
Let's go, y'all.
Let me help you, buddy. Let me help you.
Oh. Lady right here almost done. Oh, wait a minute. Did you? She got it.
No.
She said she messed up.
I'm done.
They both done. All right, who finished first?
Me.
I think it was her.
She was. I'm done.
I think they both did. What you think?
What you win? Tell the people what you won. Ooh, you gonna do an Apple gift card, girl? What you gonna buy?
No, you guys have Google.
Family day at the beach. My name is Mina and it's my first time at the beach. And I'm pretty girl. You guys, first day at the beach. I am definitely sun-kissed. But I'm having a wonderful time with my little one.